Hey guys, today I'm going to make some unstuffed bell peppers in the slow cooker. So what it's going to be is I'm just going to make a ground beef and rice mixture, and rather than stuff it into the peppers, I'm just going to cut up the peppers and add it to the mixture. So let's get crocking. I'm going to use sweet bell peppers for this because I like them better than the green ones. They come in a bag like this. They're red, yellow, and orange. So I'm just going to use two of them. I'm going to cut those up. I'm going to cut up that sweet onion, and then I have some 93% lean, 7% fat ground beef that I'm just going to cook right in the pot. So I'll get those cut up, and then I'll show you the rest of the ingredients as I add them. I put my ground beef in the pot and spread it out. Then I'm going to add my cut up peppers and onion and a cup of rice. I'm using brown rice, but you could use white rice as well. And a cup of chicken broth. And a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. And a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. And a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Maybe, I don't know, tablespoon or so to give it some extra flavor there. And for seasoning, I'm using Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper that says sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic and onion in it. But you can use whatever type of seasoning that you like. And I'm not going to add any salt because I think there's enough salt in everything else I've added. Now I'll get this all mixed together. Now I'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high for 3 hours. It's been 3 hours. Let's see how this looks. Looks good to me. I'm going to shut the pot off. And I'm going to sprinkle on some shredded Colby Jack cheese. And just let that kind of melt on the top. Alright, put the lid back on and let that melt, and then we'll try it out. Alright, the cheese is all melted. Let's get a little bit of this out of there. Alright, let's try this out. I sprinkled a little bit more cheese on top of there, and it kind of melted, so we're looking good. Hopefully it won't be too hot. It won't burn my mouth here. That's real good. I like these sweet peppers better than the green ones. I don't know if that'd be very good for Annie because it had onion in it, but she showed up, so I'll give her a leftover piece of sausage here. She ran off with it. That recipe was one of Linda's ideas. She made a version of it on the stove, so I just kind of played around with it and came up with a Crockpot version. Anyway, I'll write all the ingredients in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.